Welcome back to Savvypreneurship, the channel dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs with actionable insights and strategies. In this episode, I'm diving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly powerful: how to make your business a fun place to work and do business with. We'll explore strategies that can transform your workplace culture and client interactions, leading to increased productivity, loyalty, and ultimately business success. So let's get to it. Before I delve into the specifics, let's understand why creating a fun environment is crucial. One, employee engagement. Happy employees are more productive and creative. Two, talent attraction and retention. A fun workplace attracts top talent and reduces turnover. Three, client satisfaction. Enjoyable interactions lead to loyal customers and positive word of mouth. And four, brand differentiation. A fun brand personality can set you apart from competitors. Let's explore strategies to make your business a joy to work for. One, encourage creativity and innovation. Set up brainstorming spaces with whiteboards and comfortable seating. Implement regular innovation days where employees can work on passion projects. Two, foster team bonding. Organize team building activities and outings. Create spaces for casual interaction like game rooms or cozy break areas. Three, celebrate achievements. Recognize both big wins and small victories. Implement a peer recognition program. Four, promote work life balance. Offer flexible working hours or remote work options. Encourage employees to take breaks and use their vacation time. And five, inject humor into the workplace. Start meetings with a funny story or joke and create a meme of the week contest. Now, let's look at how to create enjoyable experiences for your clients. One, personalize interactions. Use CRM systems to remember client preferences and personal details. Send personalized gifts or notes on special occasions. Two, gamify the customer experience. Create loyalty programs with fun challenges and rewards. And use interactive elements on your website or app. Three, host engaging events. Organize client appreciation events with entertaining activities. And conduct workshops or webinars that are both informative and fun. Four, inject humor into communications. Use witty copy in your marketing materials and share fun behind the scenes content on social media. And five, surprise and delight. Occasionally provide unexpected perks or upgrades and create memorable unboxing experiences for product based businesses. Let's look at some companies that have mastered the art of fun. Zappos, known for its quirky company culture and exceptional customer service. Google offers employees perks like slides between floors and nap pods. Southwest Airlines injects humor into safety demonstrations and overall brand personality. And MailChimp uses playful design and copy throughout its product and marketing. To ensure your fun initiatives are effective, consider tracking employee satisfaction and engagement scores, customer satisfaction ratings, employee turnover rates, customer retention rates, and social media sentiment and engagement. The potential pitfalls to avoid are as follows. 1. Forced fun. Ensure activities are voluntary and appeal to different personalities. 2. Neglecting professionalism. Balance fun with maintaining a professional image. 3. Ignoring cultural sensitivities. Be mindful of diverse backgrounds and preferences. And 4. Overdoing it. Too much fun can be distracting, therefore, find the right balance. Creating a fun environment for both employees and clients isn't just about having a good time. It's a strategic move that can significantly impact your business success. By fostering a joyful workplace and delightful client experiences, you can boost productivity, loyalty, and your bottom line. Be mindful that the key is to be authentic and align your fun initiatives with your company's values and brand personality. Start small, gather feedback, and continuously refine your approach. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video of value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Stay fun and stay savvy.